What's up? Hillbilly Joe here. I'm out hiking the Elwha River Trail today. I've got my kid. I don't know if you can see him hiding behind that tree back there. Anyways, it's like 5 miles out the back trail, and we started at the end. So we didn't start at the trailhead. We started at the halfway point. So we're gonna hike to the trailhead and then back to the halfway point. That's our plan. And we'll get you some footage along this trip. How did I see you?
Yeah.
I've got good eyes. Say hi. Come on the hike with us. I wonder where he is. Are you behind that tree? Oh, okay.
Yeah, hi, dude.
Tell him to follow our channel.
Follow our channel.
Yeah. Say peace out, subscribers. Come with us.
Peace out, subscribers. Come with us, and also make sure to like go like.
That's right. Make sure you go in the woods and stuff.
Yeah, and then like go hiking with us. Yeah.
Go hiking with us, and yeah, we'll take you mushroom hunting and all sorts of cool things, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Little creek. We got a tree hanging out over the creek. Little creek crossing.
This creek is so cool, and make sure you actually go in the woods where we actually go at the creek, and then
Tell them where we are. Say we're at the Elwha River Trail.
we're at the Elwha River Trail, where you come join us and then get some snacks with us. And then
We're headed down to the river right now to make some lunch. Pretty cool woods, huh? Follow the trail. I'm following you. Oh, wipeout, bro. So we were hungry, right?
Yeah.
Jess is eating a cookie.
Yeah.
And I am making us some lunch.
Yeah, follow.
So here's the view for our lunch spot. Got the Elwha River below us. Pretty cool trail, sitting next to a waterfall. Delicious. Yummy.
Hey, follow us. What's some kind of new I see on?
Beef noodle soup. Yum.
Yeah, I do want some.
So we've come to a river crossing, right?
Yeah, and we can
Check out this bridge. I better go. Yep. We're gonna go. We're crossing the bridge now. That's a pretty big tree there.
Want to?
It's a pretty good cookie, ain't it?
I want some.
Oh man, that's crazy, ain't it? Are we gonna cross it? All right, let's cross it. We made it across. Oh, this is not the end yet. Hey, wave at me. I'm getting close to the campground, I bet.
Don't fall off the cliff.
Don't fall off the cliff? What cliff? Yeah, there is no cliffs right now, is there? Yeah, we're good to go. I think we made it to the river. About 2 miles in from where we started. Huh? Tell him we hiked 2 miles to get here.
We had 2 miles to get here.
Well, looks like we made it to the end of the trail, right? We've gone 2.6 miles so far.
I see someone over there.
Is there someone over there? That's because we're at the campground now. We made it. We did look, there's a duck. Hey, tell the people where we are. Say we made it 3 miles to Altair.
We made it to 3 miles to Altair.
Yep.
Yep, that's all I wanted to say.
That's all you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Alright, throw some more rocks. Oh, you threw that at me, dude. Ow. Say sorry.
Sorry. If you want to see more hikes. And please get 10 times so we will have more subscribers.
Yeah. Like the video, follow us, guys. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos.
Yep.